Adar Abhinandan Abhar, Namaskar Adab Sat Sri Akal. Hello and a very good morning to all the ladies and gentlemen. I'm Deepak Dhara, your English trainer, and today you can see with me here Anil sir. Today we are going to teach you conversation because conversation is very important for spoken English. क्योंकि हम बाहर जाते हैं कहीं मार्केट में जाते हैं सो अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम वी हैव टू डू कन्वर्जेशन समटाइम्स वी डू कन्वर्जेशन विद डॉक्टर शॉपकीपर to our friend. So a lot of conversations we have to do like formal and informal conversations. So here we have a example for you. Actually he is my relative. Okay. So whenever we meet to any relative first time, so how we should talk to each other. So let's get started. I hope you will enjoy this. Hi Deepak. May I have your name please?
Hello, my name is Anil.
Okay. So can I know who you are?
I'm a trainer.
Okay, you are a trainer.
Yes.
You know me? I have seen you somewhere.
Where do you see me?
I think in the last time I saw you in a marriage party. My sister's marriage party.
Your sister's marriage party?
Yes, my cousin.
Okay. I don't have any idea about it.
Okay, so do you know Babita?
Babita.
She's my mom.
Babita from Delhi?
Yes.
Yeah, I got to know about it.
Okay. I'm her son.
Okay,
I have come with my
that's
mother.
Great.
Yes,
that's
yes.
Great. How are you?
I'm very well, and you?
I'm quite fine.
Okay.
So how is auntie and uncle?
They both are very awesome, fantastic. They are having fun.
How's your siblings?
Siblings, they are also fantastic.
Okay, that's cool. What
Yeah.
about uncle?
Uncle he's working in MNC right now. And you tell me about your family?
As you know, my father is in government's job and he is a police officer.
Okay.
Whereas my mother is a
Okay. You are the son of Mr. Satinder, sir.
Yes.
Okay. I understood. It means I understood. Yeah. My father told me about uncle. Yeah.
So sometime they met in a marriage party. I hope so because at that time you might be at a very little age.
Yeah, I was little age on that time.
So that time they met with your father, and right now it's a part of the journey, and we people are growing up. So you can see the big difference is going on, and we are not in very good touch.
Yeah, it's a long time no see. Even I think I have seen you after near about 5 to 6 years.
Yeah, it is near about.
Yeah, near about. Because that time I was just near about I think 6 to 7 years old that time when I saw you the first time in that marriage.
Might
Yeah.
be. And most probably we people are not going here either there.
Okay, so why I think you don't like to meet people so much, right?
No, it doesn't mean that. Actually, we don't have that much of time, and we, as you know, in the city, in the metropolitan cities, there are the congested people and the congested lives are there. So
Okay.
they don't have time to meet with the people.
Okay.
So this is the basic
Yeah.
reason behind that.
But I am very fond of meeting people because in the rural areas, it is a first of all we just give priority to meet people. Even our village live like a family. So
Now nowadays we can see the villagers. They have that kind of they are just fulfilling their culture. They are just relish their beauty of culture as well as their traditions.
yes.
And all the aspects of their life they are just confirming and completing time to time. They are just focusing on the festivals even, but in cities, in metropolitan cities, we can see we don't have that much of time.
Yeah.
So that means somewhere we are lacking
Yes.
our lives. We are very much busy in our professions only, and we don't have time to our family even.
Yeah.
So I don't think the city life is too good.
Yeah, I also feel that.
And what about your younger one? How is he?
Now he is very awesome. He is in 6th class.
He's in 6th
Yes,
class.
in MK Bagrodia school.
Okay. So how is their study going on?
Yes, study is going on very well, but there's a problem like as you know coronavirus. It has become a great threat for everybody. So that's why he is just having online classes. But that is not so much good as the.
So nowadays you are
live
studying
interaction.
or you leave all the things?
I have recently given my 12th class exams.
Okay, you have.
Yeah.
Okay.
So result is awaited, and let's see what happens.
Okay,
I do my
that's
best.
cool.
Yeah, and
So-
what you do now, brother?
Sorry?
What you do now?
I'm in MNC right now.
Okay. Where you work in Gurgaon?
Yes, in Gurgaon.
Okay. So I think
Manesar.
I think
I
when you
hope you
came
have-
the first time, that time you started working there. That time I think you used to work that time in Faridabad.
Yeah, I was.
Okay, that's great. So you have just changed your job now.
Yes, I switched my job.
Okay.
there.
So tell me more about family. How about little sister?
She's very fine and she's just preparing for their 12th exam.
Okay.
And she just targeted to hit 90%.
Okay.
So she just giving their whole efforts, and we people are just admiring her time to time.
Okay. Okay, brother. Nice to meet you. But where are uncle and auntie? I am not able to see them.
They are at home right now.
Okay, only you have come today.
Yes.
Okay.
And
So-
they don't have time that, so that's why they are not available in this marriage party.
Okay, that's the reason.
And
But they should have come, because marriage is not a single day work. It's a long relation, and often we get chances to meet.
they have some
Often
urgent
we
piece
get
of-
chances to meet our
they have some urgent piece of work, that's why they didn't visit it.
Okay. It's okay. And sister hasn't come.
No, she's not.
Why? She could come. She hasn't any urgent piece of work. So
Not actually, as I told you, in city the people are very much busy in their lives.
okay. That's why.
And she has responsibility of the children.
Okay. So that's why she hasn't come.
Yeah.
Okay, so nice to meet you, brother. And if you come to the village side, so please visit our village as well. As you know,
Yeah,
a
you
long time
please,
has been passed.
You too, please.
Yeah, sure. I will.
Sure. So bye bye.
Nice being with you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you. Same here.
Bye bye. So now you can see here how vast it is. We are just conversing with each other and we just expressing our views. The man is of 12th class and I was in a MNC. I'm a mature person over there. So this is the trend. This is the way through which you are getting the points. Now Deepak, you just tell them how they can confirm themselves as a meeting with a stranger or somewhat.
So I would like to tell you, whenever you are going to do conversation with somebody, so first of all you must know that you should start your conversation with a greeting, and there should be a great smile on your face, because when you speak, your word comes later, but before that your smile comes. Your smile matters a lot. Okay. And second thing I would like to tell you, so you should just bow down, do just greetings, and after that, when somebody is telling about himself, so you must not just cut down him in between, right? So let him speak, and then it means in this way you are giving respect to the person with whom you are talking, right? It means he is replying, so that time I will not cut him in between. So first give a proper time to speak about the topic. Okay. And in the end, I would like to give a last tip, last but not the least. This is very important. Sometimes when somebody say nice to meet you, nice being with you, we never reply for this. Sometimes we just do like this. Okay. So don't say okay and just don't do like this. Okay. You must say same here, and even you can reply the same sentence. If somebody is saying nice being with you, you can say same here, या फिर आप कह सकते हो nice being with you, right? If somebody is saying nice to meet you, in both condition, nice being with you, nice to meet you, in both condition you can reply same here, or you can reply the same sentence, nice to meet you, right? See you soon. But just must remember, in starting and in end, you must smile. You just have to keep a good and beautiful smile on your face, right? So these are my tips, and if sir wants to give you some more tips about conversation, so he can. Sir, please proceed.
As you can see, as we conversed over here, and you people learn a lot from this passage. This is the strategy through which you are just expressing your views and how you just give a startup to your conversation. So this is the only trick. Some of the people just try their conversation with hesitation. So you people need not to hesitate at the mid or in the beginning of your time. And in these type of concepts, you do not require any rut methods, or you need not cram anything. So at last, I just want to suggest you, I just want to advise you, you people should speak English without having any problem or making any hesitations in your mind. Just confidence is required to speak up with the little words. So thank you very much for being with us.
And in the last, I would like to say you please practice more and more conversations, because when you practice conversations, so you just get a proper ready-made setup. If you get in that condition, so you will be able to speak very good in English automatically. Just think, if you have practiced this kind of conversation with your friend, that he is your relative and you are just behaving like relatives, right? And in real life, when you will go to the same situation, so you will be able to know that every sentence, what you should ask to your brother, and how you can do conversation, and what questions he can ask to you, right? So conversation is very important. Like if you have practiced a conversation between doctor and a patient, so if you go to any hospital, so automatically, if you're well prepared before, so automatically you can talk to the doctor very well, right? That will not be your first chance, and it will boost up your confidence as well. If you have practiced your conversation with shopkeeper, you have become a customer, right? If he's a shopkeeper and I'm customer, so if I practiced it firstly, so after if I go to the real situation, so it will be very easy for me that I will be able to talk to the shopkeeper, right? So you should practice a lot of conversations, right? So it will definitely help you to enhance your skills, and if you go to the real situations, it will give you a lot of benefit in that time, right? I hope you must have liked this video. If you have liked it, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.